Hello guys, today I will show how I make money by trading on Pocket Trade. The link on this website you can find under this video or in the comments. And I will trade without editing, so you can see how it looks like in real life. At first we need to choose what we want to trade. I like to trade cryptocurrency Avalanche. Okay, after that we need to choose indicators. I like to use Don't Change Channels. Okay, here it is, and after I like to choose RSI. Here it is. After that I like to change line to candles. Okay, and now we can clearly see where the price is going. After that we need to change in what price we want to trade. I will trade in $100 on $100. If you have on your balance $1,000 or less, I advise you to trade using $10. Okay, after that we need to wait until we will find good position. As you can see here, I can take long. Okay, and now we need to wait 1 minute and we will see I earn money or I lose $100. Also we can change timeline, for example to 15 seconds. It will be faster to show you how I earn money. Okay, after that we checking where the price is going. Okay guys, 4, 3, 2, 1 and I earn $92. Okay, it was easy. After that we again need to wait until I will find good position. Also I wanted to show you that this is the real balance. This is my balance. I can update this website and as you can see, real money. Okay, after that we need to wait. I don't recommend you to enter position in the middle. It can go up or down, you don't know. Okay, as you can see, the price is going up now and we can sell from this point. Okay, let's check it. It will go down or not. I can lose $100, but I will show you what I do if I lose $100. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1 and I earn another $92. I have already almost $9,000 on my balance. Wait, it can go up now, so I'm not entering the position. Okay, and I like to take now buy long. So now we will see where the price is going. The point was very bad. I wanted to enter here. But okay, now I lose $100 and I change $100 to $200 and I buy again and wait where the price is going. So 12, 11, 2, 1. As you can see, I again lose $200. So $200 I change to $800 and now I buy again. Okay, just wait. Here is nothing scaring because I have a lot of money, save money on my balance, so I can do it a lot of times. That's why I recommended you, as you can see, plus $368. That's now we change to $100. That's why I recommended you, if you have less than $1,000, trade using $10. Okay, after that we again waiting. As you can see, the price is going up. Now I again want to take it long. So let's see where the price is going now. As you can see already, it's going up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and I earned another $92. As you can see, I have on my balance already $9,100 and now the price is it want to go up, but it can't. Okay, so we again buy. I want again buy. Let's check it. If the price is going down, it doesn't matter, but as you can see, another $90. Okay, and wait. Now again buy. Okay, and price is going down. I lose this one, I already know it, but never mind, just change $100 to $200 and buy again from this point, middle point. Okay, 11, I can lose it again, but we will change the price to $400. And like this, I earn money, there is nothing, lose, change, nothing hard. And buy again. Oh, easy money. This is easy money. Oh, I buy once. I use it $1,000 now. 2, 1, and I earn it $920. Okay, very good. I already have almost $10,000 on my balance. Now I again need to wait. Price. Don't forget to change $1,000 to $100. This is very important because can be bad situation. I see. I buy from this point. I wanted to take from this point, but I take it from this. Okay, just wait. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And another $92. Okay. And also, guys, I am not a trader, I am not a genius, I don't know. I just use this strategy. When I lost $100, I just twice it, and after that I win. And there is nothing hard. Okay, another point we need to take, and now I want to sell. There is... doesn't matter. Okay, now we need to wait again. 9, 8, 7, 6. Change $100 to $200. Okay, and it's going up, down again. Change 200 to 400, and wait, and just wait. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and I again earn $188. As you can see, I have on my balance almost $10,000, and as you remember, I started from $8,800, something like that. And now again change to $100, and click buy from this point. Okay, let's see where the price is going now. 3, 2, 1. And I didn't lose nothing, and I didn't earn nothing. I want to buy again from this point because I like this position, and change $100 to $200 and wait. Okay, the price is going down. It's very strange because here we have level, strong level. I lost. Okay, again buy $200 and wait. Where the price is going now? As you can see, all this time what I trading, the price is in the same level. It's going a little bit up, a little bit down, and most traders lost their money because they sell, buy, sell, buy. But here, when I lost, I buy again in the long. If I lost long, I'll take long again. As you can see, I already have $10,000 on my balance, and now we can sell from this point. The price can easily go up, and we will trade in another way when the price will go up from the same price. Okay, and I will sell again. It going down again. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I earn money again. Okay guys, I think you understand how to trade this strategy. As you can see, $10,000 already on my balance, so I earned $1,000, and I started half an hour ago, So per half hour I earned $1000. So today I showed you the safe strategy. You will not earn 2x's or 4x's, but it's very little chance that you will lose your money. So the link will be under this video or in the comments, and also watch this video. Thank you for watching.